You want to get healthier. You want to feel strong. But between confusing workout advice, unrealistic goals, and your busy schedule, where do you even start? The truth is, most people dive into fitness too fast, or follow plans that don't fit their body, lifestyle, or limitations. The result? Burnout, injuries, or no progress at all. That's why we created Physical Health, a step-by-step guide that helps you build strength, improve your health, and train smart, no matter your age, shape, or experience level. It's not about going hard. It's about doing it right. In this guide, you'll learn 1. How to start exercising safely, based on your personal limits. 2. The science behind stretching, cardio, and strength training. 3. Gym versus home workouts. What's best for you? 4. Easy outdoor and travel-friendly exercises you can do anywhere. 5. How to prevent injuries and maximize results, without wasting time. Fitness isn't about punishment. It's about taking care of your body, today and for the future. Click the link below to download Physical Health now. Train smarter, move better, feel stronger. Your future self will thank you.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button, subscribe and share with friends.